Well, hi there folks, it's Matt Hayson here looking at everything impacting the Sydney property market. Well, this weekend we bring to a close the winter selling season. Now, I know you can't tell where the warm weather has arrived a little bit early, but as we reflect back on a winter market which produced overall mixed results, we start to peer into what we can expect this spring. It's important to also note, how is this winter market wrapping up? Now, when we look at last Saturday, CoreLogic had a preliminary auction clearance rate sitting at almost 75%. Now, whenever we see a clearance rate this high, that would reflect to us that we're seeing a pretty robust market and also signs of some price growth. However, when we look at the final auction clearance rate coming from SQM Research in Sydney, it was just over 51%. Again, we then gaze across the greater country of Australia and we can look at most of the capital cities. Again, pretty mixed bag of results for the auction clearance rate, and that gives you a sense of how this overall market in Australia is currently performing. Also, one of the key conversations which has been bubbling away through the winter period has been what's going on with the cash rate. There was some hope earlier in the year that we'd be looking at cash rate cuts by now, but that quickly got replaced with the threat that there could be a cash rate increase. Where it's currently sitting right now is it's going to be moderate and the RBA aren't going to look at it until 2025. That said, the financial markets disagree, and you can see on this chart here that they're still factoring in one cash rate cut in 2024. During the week, headline inflation fell from 3.8 to 3.5%. That was welcome news. However, many economists suggested that this is just a sugar hit because of government subsidies around energy bills, and that the RBA is still going to hold firm and leave the cash rate on hold until 2025. But something says to us that there's a bit more to unfold with this story before the year is out. So that brings us back to what's unfolding at the coalface of the market. Well, online inquiry is actually very good. There's a lot of energy online as we're starting to see this first wave of spring listings intrigue and bring out buyers into the market. But what we are seeing is buyers are walking away from overly ambitious pricing. No question about that. But buyers are engaging when they do see value. But it's the cream which is rising to the top in this market, and it's these very good, well-positioned properties in great locations, well-priced, which are continuing to produce excellent results. Now, in our view, this week we're bringing to market one of Marrickville's finest homes. In fact, we believe it's going to test the suburb record. It's at 148 Livingston Road in Marrickville. It is decadent, it is opulent, it is beautifully designed, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, parking for up to 4 cars. It has a guide of 4.3 million and a September 28 auction date. So check out that property. It is quite stunning. Now, folks, we've just got that first wave of properties coming onto the market to lead into spring. It's a precursor for buyers and what they can expect over the coming months. Our entire team is excited and looking forward to seeing it out and about. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all next week.